Now, like to invite thoughts from Viral, from Lupin. Viral, your thoughts on the same. Thanks for joining.
Thank you, Ekta. First of all, I would like to thank you. It's a great pleasure to be part of this panel and to be part of this enriching discussion. As we talk about Industry 4.0, now the first thing which I would like to highlight about the current era is very different from what it was prior. Earlier, it was problem of data availability. Now the challenge is of data overload. We have so much data available with us. Now, the kind of problem that we have is that how do we make sense out of that data? We have data available into multiple systems. So need of an hour, according to me, is to have a integrated systems where we make sense out of that data. As Dr. Manoj also pointed out, that we need to have an integrated system across the value chain, across the functions of the pharma company. Currently, with the sales and marketing, we have data of primary sales, secondary sales. What are the inventory levels available at the stockist front, at the retailer front? But then how do we integrate that data with also the manufacturing facility? Are we manufacturing as per the availability or the necessity in the market? Are we also, because each and every company, I believe, apart from like top 10 companies, will be having nearly 1,000 SKUs, multiple variants of each product. Now, are we manufacturing these 1,000 SKUs based on what are the inventory level, what is the demand in the market, what are the secondaries? And if this data is not weaved in onto one platform, each company will incur a huge cost which comes as a credit note. On the P&L, it might look a very minuscule number of say 1% or 2%. But when we translate that number into the absolute value, it's a huge thing. During this pandemic, many companies had manufactured multiple drugs which was based on the disease pattern which was emerging at that time, which would not remain static throughout the year or even post-pandemic. So many of the companies have incurred a lot of write-off data. When we go to the annual report of multiple companies, the listed companies, they had this component of write-off which was much higher compared to the prior pandemic thing. This was all because it was manufactured based on the current set of the therapeutic need which is there in the system. So weaving into all these systems which are available, applying the AI and ML and predictive analytics onto that will definitely contribute to improving the profit of companies. So these are few thoughts from my end.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.